Resentment often sneaks in when life throws a plot twist you didn't quite sign up for. Maybe someone said something hurtful, or a situation left you feeling overlooked. But here's the good news: you have the power to rewrite this narrative, starting with a little self reflection, done with a lot of self compassion. Here's a simple tool which involves some deeper reflection to work through resentment more definitively. The first step is to really get curious about the source. Take a moment to go deeper. What's really bothering you? Is it the person's actions, the situation itself, or something else entirely? Spend some quiet time journaling without any filters, any judgment, just letting the emotions flow. Ask yourself, what does this situation say about what I value or need? The answers might surprise you. The video on understanding resentment has a useful mapping exercise that you could use to get started. The second step would be to think deep about what would help you feel reserved about the situation. This one needs going in. Be specific with your own self about what would help you feel at peace. Is it an apology, an explanation, an open dialogue, a chance to make amends, or even just a simple acknowledgement of your feelings? Clarity is key. Once you understand what you're seeking, you could think about how to communicate this effectively if another person is involved, if that is an option. Can you actually express your needs in a way that fosters understanding rather than conflict? But before you initiate the conversation is another step. This is a step where you actually take another moment to reflect on how could you limit such experiences in future. Think about how you could handle a similar situation differently next time. Are there boundaries that you can set up to prevent a repeat? And how will you gently but firmly uphold those boundaries? The final step, if it's really an option, is to choose to initiate an open and honest conversation with the other person involved, especially if it is a close relationship. Share your perspective and openly hear theirs. Then collaboratively come together to create a plan to minimize such situations or misunderstandings in the future. Resentment holds clues about what truly matters to you. By reflecting on your feelings, seeking resolution in a way that feels right for you, and setting a plan in motion such that it does not repeat, you aren't just managing resentment, you're transforming into growth and understanding.